Sit in comfortable, keep your spine erect, look straight. We'll be starting with 360-degree breath. Keep your hands under your chest. When we do 360-degree breathing, imagine you are inhaling through your ribcage throughout 360-degree. Okay? So inhale, expand your ribcage. Your ribcage should be out from side, your belly should be out, your upper back should be out. Expand like a balloon. Exhale, release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your own count. We'll be doing 6 more rounds. If you want, you can keep your eyes closed. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Gentle fall of your belly. Relax your ribcage. Inhale. Breathe through your ribcage. Your belly should be out. Upper back out. Feel the air. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Gentle core engagement. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Relax, keep your hand down. Now lie down on your back. Turn any left or right side and lie down. Keep your lower back flattened with the floor. Keep your knees bent. We'll be doing pelvic tilt. Inhale, expand your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Imagine you are holding your urine. Tuck your pelvic. That's how you lower your lower back should be touches the floor. And gentle fall of your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Expand your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Hold your urine. Tuck your pelvic. Bring your pelvic towards your navel. 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Hold your urine. Tuck your pelvic. Bring your pelvic towards your navel. 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Core engaged. Tuck your pelvic. Hold your urine. Last 4 rounds. Inhale. Do your own count. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Hold your urine. Tuck your pelvic. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last round. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now come to all fours. Keep your knee and hip in one straight line. We'll start with cat-cow. Keep your spine erect. Inhale, look up. Arch your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Look up. Exhale. Chin to chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Inhale, look up. Feel the stretch in your tailbone. Exhale. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Round your back more. Inhale. Exhale. Go slow. Keep your core engaged. Inhale up. Exhale. Last 4 rounds. Inhale up. Exhale. Last 3 rounds. Up. Feel the stretch. Look up. Exhale. Core engaged. Chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale. Last round. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Relax. Keep your spine neutral. Now we'll be doing bird dog. Extend your right hand and left leg. If you are not able to balance, then gently lift your legs up and bring it down. And if possible, just try to lift your leg and hand both at one time. Try to balance, change. Keep your toe pointed, knees straight. Core engaged. To balance. Keep your body stable. Exhale through your mouth. Keep your toe pointed, knees straight. Keep your hips stable. Last round. Next, now come to Vajrasan. Relax for 3 long breaths. Inhale long, exhale. Now, come to standing position. We'll be doing standing matches. Keep your hands on your waist. Let's start. Raise your knee up. Your toes should be pointed. Keep your core engaged. Go slow. Try to balance. If you're losing balance, just take a wall support. Your toes should be pointed. If you're not able to lift this much high, that is fine. If you are here, that also okay. Wherever you are, that was. Just keep your core engaged. That is most important. Last round. Core engaged. Relax. Now we'll be doing wall sit-up. Come next to the wall. Keep 1/2 feet gap between your leg and wall. Make sure your head, your upper back, lower back and your hip should be touches the wall, and slide and slowly go down. Try to go down as much as possible. Wherever you feel you are comfortable, that's your point, and stay. Keep your core engaged. Your lower back should be flattened with the wall. We'll be staying here for 6 long breaths. Keep inhale, exhale. Last 3. Core engaged. Anytime if you feel the counts are a bit exhausted, always reduce the count, but keep doing it. Eventually you'll get it. Last round. Slowly slide up, come back. Now, lie down on your back. Turn any side and slowly with your hand support lie down comfortably. Keep your core engaged. Your lower back should be flattened with the floor. That's how we do our core engagement. We'll be doing heel slide. Inhale, core engaged. Slowly slide your heel with control. Bring it back. Keep your core engaged. Other leg. Bring it back. Exhale, core engaged. Slide your leg. Control movement. Go slow. You're engaged. Slow movement. We are not rushing. Just keep your body stable, and we are sliding our heel. This one exercise looks very easy, but it has a number of huge benefits for healing our DR. Last 2 rounds. Slide, bring it up. Exhale through your mouth, slide your heel, bring it back. Last round. Core engaged. Always remember to engage your core. If you are losing your core, stop. Again engage and start. Because when you engage your core, you get the maximum benefit. Relax. Extend your both the legs. Bring your right leg towards your chest. Keep your leg straight. Other leg. Keep your toe pointed. Other leg knee straight. 4, 5, 6. Relax. Now bend your both knees. Keep your right leg above your left knee and bring your left knee towards your chest. Stay for 10 count. This is my favorite exercise, my favorite stretch. This gives a nice stretch in the inner thigh upright, and I really feel great after this stretch. Change. Hold for 10 count. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now bring your both knees towards your chest. Pawan Muktasana. Stay for 5 count. Now turn towards left and right. Give a nice massage to your back. Now relax. Extend your leg. Keep your palms down. Palm facing towards the ceiling. Eyes closed. Relax in Shavasana. You are done for today. You did a great job. Just relax. For next 2 minutes, we are doing nothing. We're just relaxing. Relax your toes, your feet, ankle. Relax your calf muscles, knees. Relax your thigh, your pelvic floor. Relax your lower back, mid back, upper back. Relax your chest, your shoulder. Relax your arms, your fingers. Relax your facial muscles. Relax the complete body. Observe the breath. Observe gentle rise and fall of your belly, your chest. Relax. Now repeat after me. I am safe. I am confident. My body knows how to heal. I am safe. I am confident. My body knows how to heal. I am safe. I am confident. My body knows how to heal. Let these positive thoughts run through your whole body. Now join your both feet together, interlock your fingers, stretch your whole body. Feel like somebody is pulling you from your leg and hand. Stretch more. More stretch. Slowly. Release. Turn towards left or right side with your hand support. Come back. Keep your eyes closed. We'll be doing Bhramari for 7 count. Keep your index finger on your eyes, middle finger at your keep your index finger on your forehead, middle finger on your eyes, ring finger side of your nose, little finger at your upper lip. Close your ear with your thumb, and we'll be doing with exhalation. While exhale, we'll be making hummy bee like sound. Let's start. Inhale, exhale. We're doing 7 more rounds. Keep your own count. Start. Exhale. Keep your spine erect. Once you are done, bring your head down. Now rub your both palms. Massage your face, your whole body. Bring your both palms together. Look at your palm, open your eyes. You did a great job today. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep continuing it and stay positive.